subscribing to my channel. So today's video will be a fun Q&A session. So basically what I have done is I have prepared some questions which I'll be answering, and it will be like a chit chat session. Okay, sounds cool? Let's go ahead. So the first question is, what is your name? So my name is Priyasha Sharma. Where do you live? I was basically born and brought up in Guwahati, but I was working in Pune. I went to Bhubaneswar for education, and now I'm still back in my hometown because of the COVID situation. Third question is, what do you do and what is your first job? So basically I completed my engineering in IT, and now I'm working in an MNC as a software analyst. So, and yes, this is my first job as well. I passed out my engineering 2 years back in 2019. Then what are your hobbies? My hobbies are swimming, dancing. I love swimming, I love dancing, and I love baking. Baking makes me very, very happy. And yes, I love camping as well, and I love exploring new places, and I love a lot of things actually. If you ask about my hobbies, there are a lot of things. So yeah, nothing specific, but yes, these are some I really love and I would love to name them. Next, where did you study? So I basically completed my graduation in Bhubaneswar from KIIT, and before that till class 12 I was in my hometown itself. Married or unmarried? Yes, I am not yet married, I am unmarried. Which places have you lived in? So like I said, I was born and brought up in Guwahati, which is my hometown. Then I went to Bhubaneswar for education for my engineering, and then I started my first job in Pune and was staying there until the COVID situation, and now I am at home working from home. Favorite food? Favorite food for me is, I would say, I love Chinese, I love North Indian, then I love Italian. I am a big foodie, so don't ask me about food. I love a lot of food. Favorite color? So if it's about the color I love wearing, then it would be black. I love wearing black. Blue, I'm wearing blue right now. Yeah, and grey. Yeah, these are three colors I'll always wear, and some shades of pink. I love some pastel colors and some purple as well. Yeah, that's about it. Inspiration you look up to? For my inspiration, I would say they are my parents, because they have worked really hard and they have succeeded a lot in life. I would say my father along with my mother, they've balanced both work and family life. They've given us time, a lot of time, in spite both of them being in their professions. They gave us a lot of time. So my father is an engineer and my mom was a lecturer, so in spite of their busy schedule, they always found out time for me. Your sibling? Except me, I have a younger brother who's in standard 9 right now. What is success for you? So success for me is, the first thing I would say about success is being happy in your own, aura. Being happy with whatever you do, whatever you choose. If you're happy, that is success for me. Success for me is, is not defined by wealth or, things like that. For me, it is being happy and being able to do what you want. Basically, freedom for me is success. Next, what is the one thing that you would change about yourself if you could? If I could change about myself, I would just change one thing. Not just one thing, there is one thing especially that I would change about myself. That is, I cannot wake up in the morning at any cost. And I know this might be a really bad habit. During my childhood days, I think most of us could relate to that. During all of our childhood days, it was so normal waking up at 6 o'clock, 6:15, and then getting ready for school. But now I'm unable to wake up even at time 7:30, sometimes even at 8. So this is something I really want to change about myself. Then the next question is, do you like or dislike surprises? Well, it just depends on the surprise, I suppose. Best thing you have ever been given? So for me, if talking about gifts, then for me, the best gift for me is time and effort. That is something I would always want more than material things, because time is something which does not come back. And if someone is giving you their time, that means you're really valuable to them. So that is what I really want from someone, people who are close to me, if they give me their time, I do not want anything else, because I do not believe in gifts, like you can give someone 1,000 gifts and they would not stay one day. So the best thing, it's time. The next question is, how often do you buy clothes? So for me, for the last 1 year especially, I would say, because of COVID, I did not buy a lot of clothes, but yes, before that I used to go for shopping maybe once or twice a month. Yeah, that's about it. Next, would you trade intelligence for looks or looks for intelligence? So for me, the answer is, I would not trade anything actually. I want both, but if an option is selected, I would trade looks for intelligence, because I love people basically who are emotionally intelligent, and emotional intelligence is like one thing that really attracts me a lot. The next question is, how long does it take for you to get ready in the morning? So when I get ready for office, it usually takes around 1.5 hours to get ready, and nowadays you have to wake up and then sit in front of the computer, so you don't have to get ready actually nowadays. The next question is your glass full or half empty? So for me, I would say it's full. Yeah, that is what I would say. The next question is, what is your favorite subject in school? So as a kid, I loved a lot of subjects. I loved studying. I know that's something really weird. Like, I love studying some subjects specifically, not all. One of them would be history. I loved history. Oh my god, I really loved history. There was a timetable set by my mom, and I used to wait for the day when I would be studying history. I was so excited about it. Next, I loved English as a subject, and I'm glad I'm doing that right now, and I'm planning to convert that in a full-time thing in the future, and I really hope I do it. I loved science, of course. I loved science. Yeah, these are some of the subjects I loved. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you soon with a new video, and yes, you all can check out my academy below. I'll leave the link in the description box, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.